This video we're doing do-it-yourself postcards, which are our topical postcards. The easiest way to get there is clicking on Client Connect again. Click do-it-yourself. And this will give you our Client Connect postcards, and these are all the ones that are current for, and you can pick and choose one of these. Let's do Earth Day is coming up on the 22nd. Say personalize this postcard. And then you say from a template. Name your project. Earth Day postcard. And then click Start in Basic. Again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left. Number 3 is where you type in your information. So this is your paragraph back. So you could say something like, contact me for a free home evaluation. And then your phone number. As soon as you type it in, it shows up. So preview, image preview, there's page 1. Put your name. Page 2. There's my little back paragraph with my contact information. If that looks good, I can check out. If I need to make another edit, I can click number 3. I can switch my photo and my logo if I need to by pulling and selecting logo 2 or 3. But I'm ready to check out, so we hit number 5, checkout. You can now upload your list or do a radius list or pull a list that you have saved and hit select list. I'll do a radius list really quick for you. I'm just gonna do 60 around this address. Click radius list, it pops open a little map, and it should then pinpoint our 60 records like this. 60 records found. Say use this list. That list is now attached. You can now continue. There's some other options in here, but this is just the basics to get you going. First class mail, marketing mail is here. You can pull and select your paper type for whichever one you'd like. This one is not time sensitive, so I'll send it marketing mail and I'll send it UV coded. I had 60, so I want to put 60 in there as my total that matches my database. Click add to cart. There's my total. Make sure address and mail is selected. Click checkout now. Enter a credit card. Put your initials that you've proofed everything and click finalize, and your order will be placed.